Hi ladies, Maxine here with Tink and I Treasures. Welcome back to my studio. Today, if you don't recognize it, this is our Margaret Miller challenge book. So I'm going to open her up and find where we are. Here we go. So this is number 14. Wow. Well, we haven't been working in this book very much. I've had other projects and things I wanted to share and show and what have you. But anyway, so week 14, we have buttons, real, drawn, or stamped, something royal, a poem, a schematic, two of something, and the bonus is something purple. So I found something purple, a couple of things here. So I went ahead and glued that down for our background page and added this little purple thing here for our something purple. So we got the bonus out of the way already. So I am going to take, this is some Edith Holden book page, and ink this up. I thought this would be nice as, you know, just a background. Take off this white. Yeah. Don't like white. And it would be very apparent if you came to my house, because I have no white walls. No white anywhere. Don't do white. I don't even have white clothes. Just because, not that I don't like the color, well, actually white's not a color, but you know what I mean. It's not that I don't like it, it's just that, well, as far as clothes go, if I'm wearing white, it is guaranteed I will spill coffee or something else on myself. It is a guarantee. So that's why I don't do white as far as clothes go. As far as my walls in my home, I find white very uninspiring and sterile and cold. So some people might be able to pull off white in their homes, but I just never cared for it myself. Okay, so we're going to get that down. And the buttons I'm going to save for last, because those are like an accent thing in my opinion. So something royal. I pulled out this little snippet that I made, and it's got some kind of, I would imagine, some kind of royal on the front of that. So I thought we would just use that. You know what? I need to plug in I need to get the hot glue. Okay, so put that right there, maybe. And we have, let's see, what else do we need? Oh, a poem. I have a poem here. This is from the Book of Fairies. So let's see if I can get the, well, I saved one fairy. Let's see here. There we go. Oops, I don't want to get too close, do we? Take out a word, that would be it, wouldn't it? So let's just kind of ink this up. There we go. So we have something royal and a poem. Buttons. I have buttons here, but I'm going to put those on last. Schematic. I have a schematic here. I happen to have an old book that's like construction type stuff, so it is like full of drawings and what have you. So I thought, yay, I know what I'm going to use for that. I got it because the pages are nice and thick. They have really nice thick pages, so they're great for all kinds of stuff. But yeah, it's full of drawings and what have you. So there's our schematic. 2 of something. I was looking through my stash and I happened upon 2 of these little, I don't know even what you'd call them, snippet things or tuck spot, or I don't know, you could use it for a hidden paper clip or what have you. But anyway, I have these and they both have an umbrella on them, so I figured that qualifies, right, as 2 of something. We're gonna go with it anyway, because you're not here to tell me no, that doesn't work. So let's see, schematic, 2 of something. I got a little thingy here I thought might be fun to put in there. I see a little white spot that's bugging me. Okay, so there's that. There's that. There's this. Wait a minute. Okay, wait a minute. There we go. We don't want to cover up any of the words. Okay. Is that everything? Let's see. Buttons, something royal, poem, schematic, 2 of something, and the purple. Yeah, that's everything. All right. Let us begin. Okay. And all right, let's get out this and get this pasted down. And this little guy. And then, let's see, oh, we don't want to cover up those words. So yeah, let's just put this down. Getting glue on things like this open weave stuff is a little challenging. Okay. Yeah, we want to just make sure we don't get the words. Okay, oops. Moving around on me. Stop that. Yeah, open weave. That's challenging with these glue sticks, aren't they? Okay, so just something like that. No, I think, yeah. Okay, I get some glue on that. Ooh, that's nice and warm. Got several layers of paper between me and the glue, so it feels nice and warm. If I get too close, it's hot and it burns, and I scream, and you guys jump. I'll try and warn you ahead of time if I'm using hot glue and fabric or something like that where it might come through. I try to warn you that I may scream. I don't know why, but my fingers just don't take the heat like some people's do. Okay, so that's nice. Okay, now we've got our 2 buttons we need to put down. I also found this butterfly that I thought would be nice, and I found this, which has some more purple, that I thought would be nice if we can find a place for it. See, I don't want to cover up those words. Maybe we don't have a place for this. That's too bad. I suppose it could go over that. Let's see. And the butterfly. That would be a good place for the butterfly. Got one little wing kind of sticking out there, but hopefully it won't get damaged. And let's see, so maybe no. Well, maybe we don't have room for that after all. That's too bad. All right, so this might be challenging. So I need to concentrate because if I get my finger in that hot glue, I'm gonna scream. That's the only thing about buttons, is the hot glue comes right through the little holes. That has taken me by surprise in the past. So yeah. And once those dry or cool down, I might be able to get off those bits that came through the holes. So anyway, wow. That is it, guys. We're done here. We got our buttons, our something royal, our poem, our schematic, 2 of something, and bonus is something purple here and here. So there we go. That's that. You know, I was looking through this book and I was thinking, when we get done with the year, some of these pages would make really good like tags or journaling cards. Maybe even see, now this, I love this. That would make, I think that would make a really cool journal cover, don't you think? I think that would make a great journal cover. Not so much. But yeah, some of these. No, that's the shop that I like getting the fabric from. It was in my prior video. This stuff, I get it from Vintage Polka Dot Shop. And oh, the smell. She puts something in when she's dyeing this stuff, and the smell, it stays, and it's wonderful. At least I like it. I don't know if ever, you know, some people are bothered by scents, but I love the smell that she puts in stuff. Anyway, this would be a nice master board to cut for journaling cards or something. This one, I think, might be good. Well, not so much. This one, parts of it, I like that. Anyway, yeah, so I was thinking that, you know, when we're all done, some of these pages would lend themselves really well to journal covers or journaling cards or something like that. So, yeah. Anyway, that's it for now, guys. Thanks for joining me. I hope you are following along and doing your own Margaret Miller challenge book. It's fun, you know, and it's a good way if you're stuck and you don't have any inspiration and you sit at your crafting desk and think, gee, I have time to craft, but I don't know what to do. Sometimes just, you know, doing one of these little challenges can get you going, as it were, and maybe something you've put down here inspires you for something else. So yeah, so they're great little things to do. That doesn't take a whole lot of time, and it helps to get the creative juices going. So until next time, ladies, as always, take care of you, love each other, and I'll see you again. Bye.